Today I'm going to show you a JavaScript project collection, and these 6 JavaScript projects will take you from zero knowledge in JavaScript to a pretty strong base. And this will be the best video, and if you practice all these projects which I have laid down for you, you will be better than majority of people in JavaScript. So here are the 6 JavaScript projects. The first one is an adventure game. The second one is a text-based calculator. Third one is a contact management system. The fourth one is a random quiz generator. And the fifth one is a tic-tac-toe game. And the sixth one is a JavaScript file sorter. So let's start with the adventure game. So whenever you run play, it will ask your name. It will ask whether you want to play or not. And now here the trick comes. If I say left, I can go on a bridge. But if I interrupt it again and start the game again and I put my name again and I play say no, so the game got exited. And if I start again, put my name, say yes, and go to right and then I fall from a pitch. And I start the game again, I say my name, I say yes, and say left. And if I want to cross the bridge, and if I say yes, you crossed the bridge and bridge was too weak, so it broke. And if I start the game again, it will keep on running like this. And you can make it more complex if you want. The second project is text-based calculator. So let me just clear the terminal window. And so now I will just put X here and you can see 23 multiplied by 24, it's 552. And type again those numbers again and I wanna just put something any random. Okay, I put W. Not a valid operator. Use something like this. So you can see this is a pretty good calculator based in JavaScript. So now we are going to third, contact management system. So this is something actually useful. So now whenever I run this, it's asked me 5 options: to add a contact, to delete a contact, to view contact, to search contact, to exit contact management system. So I will show everything one by one. I will write the name of the contact and email of the contact. So it asks me again what I want to do. So you can add a lot of things if you want. So I will add a name again and I will add another email and I can add something again and I will add the email. So now I have added pretty much a lot of names and contacts here. 3. So let's now go to delete a contact. So to delete a contact, first it will show me all the contacts which are there and I can just enter the ID which is here like 123 and that contact will be deleted. Now you can see removed. So now I can view the contacts by pressing 3 and you can see only 2 contacts left after 3. So now if I want to search a contact, what I will do, I will just press 4 and enter the name of contact you want to search. So if you just don't remember Ansh fully and you only remember ANS, Ansh email ansh@gmail.com. So it works like that. And fifth, I can just press exit, exiting contact management system. So this was the contact management system. So now we are at tic-tac-toe.js. So it is a game of tic-tac-toe made through JS. So let me just run it. So when I run it, it displays an empty tic-tac-toe board and it shows X players turn. So you can choose which player you wanna be, and I I think I am X player and you are the O player. And now I can enter the column in which I wanna enter the X. I will choose the first. Okay, you can see I have made a mistake. Instead of putting enter the row X, I should have to put in a position. So it showed me enter invalid row. So this is the efficiency of the program. So 1 and 1. So here you can see X at the first place. Okay. Now I think you are O and you are smarter than me. So you put 2 and 1. And I am as not smart as you. I go here. And you are super smart. So you go here. Oh, you now made a mistake. It will show that invalid row. But now you learned from your mistake and you do this. Now I'm dumb. So instead of directly winning, I will go to 3 and 1. But you are smart and you saw that I made a mistake and you won. So when in this tic-tac-toe, if you play very correctly and you made a game draw, it will show you no one won. So now we are going to the fifth project. So now just let me play this random quiz generator. It will ask me the number of questions I want to answer. Let me type 12. So it will ask me the questions. I'm going to answer randomly for just the sake to make this video fast. But you can show you can have fun with it. I will provide you the GitHub link of the repo so you can have fun with it. So at the end, I made this gave to 12 questions. I made two correct and I took 18.93 seconds. The score was this, and I got this much percentage. So here is what you can see with the random quiz generator. Now you will see a very useful project which will use very much in your life if you are a programmer or anyone, a JS file sorter. So JavaScript folder sorter. So the main problem that we face in our life is that our folders are very messy. So to sort out those messy folder, I have created a JavaScript program. People usually create these types of program with Python, but I created it with JavaScript just to stand out. So the JavaScript program does what is it just asks you about a folder path that you want to sort, and it will sort everything in that folder according to the extensions of its file. For example, PNG files will be in the PNG folder, JPG files will be in the JPG folder, and MP4 will be in MP4. So do that. I will take a folder and I will copy its path and I will just run this program, paste the path, and you can see folders sorted according to extensions. So now I can see go down there. You can see all the JPG files are in JPG, MP4 are in MP4, MSI files are in MSI, and so on. So this was the project, and it is pretty useful in our daily life as we have a lot of things which are messy. So we can sort it by just running one program. And sometimes we have some folders which require permissions, just like downloads folder or folders which directly belong to the Windows or system. So to sort those folders, you can either run this code as administrator and it will work. So that's this was a short video and may this will be useful for you.